Just got this on the mail. This is actually for, it's going to be for my LED light, or it could be for a camera. And it's a fixture that you go, it's a clamp that we're going to attach to the actual desk here. And of course, you could take out the cap and the top and put it mount in a camera or anything else. Has different fixtures, if you guys can see it. And it's ready to go with the clamp. You just got to set it up first. So let's go ahead and set that up and see how it looks. You got two different forms, and I took out the actual extension, and it comes with the actual screws here. So we're gonna put it on the lowest one. So if you guys can see it, this is how I want it. I just want to mount it here, or we could go all the way to the top and put it all the way to the top if you want to. But right now we're gonna go get set up to this mount, if you guys can see it, and then we're gonna stretch it all the way to the top. But as you can see, I don't have enough to actually for 1 inch, so we're gonna go ahead and cramp it up and let me show you how. You can see it, I did it from the inside so it could give me that 1 inch thickness of grip. I screwed it up, but if you ever want to put it, you could put it on the outside and it could be under, and it could still reach to anything thicker than maybe 3 or 4 inches. You can put it on the bottom, but right now we're going to put it 1 inch right now, and let's go ahead and do that. Yes, we got to 1 inch already, so it's 1 inch thick and it's standing up really high. We're gonna mount a little light in here, and then we're gonna focus here to record some of the stuff in here. So not bad. So this extends pretty long. Extended long, you can see it. It's about 3 feet extension, right, from the ground up. 3 feet. Let me zoom out so you guys can see it, and that's how it's gonna look. This is the lock-in, and then you have to also lock in the bottom here too, all right? This does not lock, so you lock in here, all right? Let's go ahead and do that. All right, here's the neck, guys. If you guys can see the neck, I ended up putting an LED light, a ring light, so a good combination with a ring light, and then a neck here, one of these little neck brace to move it, adjust it. So not bad. We're going to talk about products in here and place it here with the lighting. So